Hello! B-Cure Laser is a medical device for home use, clinically proven for the treatment of pain, orthopedic problems, wounds, and inflammation. If you suffer from chronic pain such as knee pain, back or neck pain, inflammation of the wrist or the elbow, or in the fingers, as well as if you suffer from hard-to-heal wounds such as diabetic or acute traumatic wounds, you can be helped by B-Cure Laser in order to reduce inflammation, speed up healing, and achieve a higher quality of life. The whole family may use the device safely and enjoy its advantages, starting from adults suffering from chronic pain and problems to young adults and children over the age of 1 who are prone to falls and therefore may suffer from sprains, injuries, or open wounds. The use of B-Cure Laser does not cause pain or a sensation of cold or heat. The treatment is completely safe, natural, and does not cause side effects. Just take heed not to aim the laser at the eyes. Start the device and set the treatment time to 8 minutes. For continuous device operation, press the elongated left side button while simultaneously pressing the round button. Release both buttons simultaneously. Now the device operates continuously. Place the device on the treatment point. The diagram of the human body in the instruction manual can help you locate the treatment point. Stabilize the device on the treatment point without moving until the end of the defined treatment time. The beeps heard at 3-second intervals note that the device is in operation and will stop at the end of the defined treatment time. When you are giving treatment, gently place the device directly on the skin surface and do not treat over clothes or dressings. For treatment of chronic pain persisting over 3 weeks, start at a dosage of 1.5 minutes and gradually increase the duration of treatment up to 8 minutes within 24 hours. For easy and convenient hands-free treatment, we recommend you use the adjustable stand. Slide the device into the holder. Take heed to aim the 2 depressions on the device to the pins on the holder. Now set the tripod of the stand and find a stable position which will allow you to give efficient treatment throughout the required period of time. You may connect the stand to a chair, a bed, or the backrest of an armchair. And you may also use the B-Cure stand as an extension, enabling you to reach distant areas of the body. In order to receive the best results, repeat the treatment at least twice a day. We wish you a successful treatment and to enjoy the good life without pain.